Hi kids. How are you today? It's good to see you again. Today we will learn about mixing of colors. But wait, first meet your new friend.
Hi, I am Liana. I made a beautiful drawing. Do you want to see that? I made a beautiful house. But I didn't paint it. Will you help me in painting my drawing? Ooh, thanks kids. Let's start. Which color is this? Yes, it's red. Which color is this? Yeah, right, it's yellow. If I add red and yellow, what will be the new color? Wow, I got a new color. But, what is the name of this color? It's orange. Let's paint orange color in my drawing. Wow, it looks great. Let's try another color. What is the name of this color? Correct, it's blue. Wow, this is such a bright color. Its name is yellow. What if I mix blue and yellow color? Great, I got a new color. It's green. Let's paint it. Leaves are green. So I painted the tree green. Which color is this? It's white. Let's see the next color. It's red again. Let's mix white and red color. Ah, this is so beautiful color. It's pink. Let's paint in my drawing. Wow, it looks so great. Let's try another colors. I think you know this color. It's blue color. Ah, once again we have red color. Let me mix blue color with red color. Ooh wow, this is my favorite color. It's purple. Let's add this color in my drawing. I painted my name with purple color. Because it is one of my favorite color. Let's try with more colors. Once again we have this color. Yeah, it's white color. Another color is orange. By adding white and orange we get such a beautiful color. Its name is peach. Let's paint now. Wow, my drawing is looking so colorful. Let's paint the other parts. You must be familiar with this color. Yeah, it's green. Once again we have red color. By mixing green and red colors I will get. Wow, this is a new color. Its name is brown. Let's use this in my drawing. I painted the wood of tree brown. Let's see the next color. We have this color again. Yeah, it's blue. Again we have green color. Let's mix blue and green color. Wow, such a beautiful color. Do you know the name of this color? Its name is turquoise. Let's paint it. Wow, this color is giving such a bright look to my painting. Let's try another color. Once again we have this color. It's white. You must know the name of this color. Correct, it's black. Let's mix white and black colors. I got a different color. It's gray. Let's add this color in my drawing. I painted the windows with gray color. Let's see next color. We have again white color. I know the name of this color. Yeah, it's yellow. This time we will mix 3 colors. The third color is red. Let's mix 3 colors, white, yellow and red. Ooh, I got this color. It's orange. Let's paint it in my drawing. My painting is about to complete. Let's see the last colors. We have again yellow color. Do you know the name of this color? It's blue. Once again we have this beautiful color. Yeah, the red color. Let's mix them. Do you know the name of this color? Correct, it's brown. Let's paint this last color. Wow, my painting is complete now. It looks so beautiful. Thanks kids for helping me in painting my drawing. See you again.